for this question, we're given some very basic C code. Just prints in the sum of two numbers that are scanned in by the user. But MIPS is a little bit trickier. Okay, so we're given this starter code, and I basically just want to extract the things that I know are working. So let's just start from the easiest point. Return 0. These instructions definitely work the way intended. Using a value of 0 to pass through the return address here. So I'm going to keep this at the end. And then one of the last things we want to do as well is print this new line character. So we pass through this particular character as an argument, and we use the instruction 11, which is for print character, as a value to pass through this system call. So we definitely want to keep this as well. So I'm just going to kind of leave this down here. Okay, so the declaration of X and scanning in X is actually done in kind of one instruction here. The only problem is that after we scan this in, we want a place to store this scanned in number. So here we can move V0 into T0. So to say T0 store X. Cool. So you can kind of rewrite this a bit later, but let's work on this line of code here. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. So we can use the same value return call, which is for print int with code 5. This time we want to scan in Y. So we've already scanned in a number after this call, and MIPS essentially kind of not forgets about it, but we've stored it in T0, so we can reuse this value register. So once we scan in the second number, we want to move it to T1. So T1 will store X, and then we want to perform this operation here. X plus Y. Why is that tabbing me out? So we can go add, and then we create a new register. So T2 is unused, and then we want to add X and Y. So that'll be T1, and then T0 and T1. Okay, cool. So now we just need to essentially do this instruction here. The new line is separate. So let's move, instead of V0, we want to move T2 into the argument that gets passed through this print function. And then, it'll essentially be this argument here, and then this is the call to, this argument will kind of refer to what we're passing in here, and then this load immediate instruction refers to what we actually want to do. So in this case, it's print a %d, which is an integer, and an integer is represented by a number 1 instruction as the value returned from this score. So I think this should work. I'm going to run an auto test. And we passed it, so yeah, here's the complete code.